Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add everyone in your workspace to a channel on Slack. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So right off the bat, I feel that I should let you guys know that there isn't actually a built-in function onto Slack that allows you to add everyone to a channel at the press of a button. And I think the reason for that is because Slack wants a way to deter bots and spam abuse. Because I could only imagine like what chaos would transpire if everyone had the ability to add everyone to a channel on Slack. So how do you actually add everyone to a channel on Slack? Well, here's how. Let me show you. You want to make sure Slack is open and you want to select the channel on which you want to add everyone to. So let's pretend that I want to add everyone to the free up questions channel. So you want to right click on that and click on view channel details. Here Slack will then bring up a window with a bunch of options for you to choose from. So you want to click on members and you want to manually add everyone to this channel. So unfortunately, this is the only way to add everyone to a channel on Slack. So for the purposes of demonstration, let me pretend that I want to add everyone named David to this channel. So all you have to do is type down David and click on their name. Now Slack would show you which people are already in the said channel. So okay, this guy apparently isn't, so let's pretend to add him. I'm just gonna click on add, like pretend to click on add rather, and that'd be it. Now, another interesting thing here is that uh, if you're an admin at a certain workspace on Slack, you do have the option to automatically add anyone who joins that workspace to said channel. So in this workspace, I am an admin, so let me show you guys what I mean. Let's say I want to make sure that everyone who joins this workspace gets added to the let's pretend the R&D channel. So what you want to do is you want to right click on the channel like so, and you want to click on members, and you want to click on add people, and here as an admin you have an option to automatically add anyone who joins insert name of workspace. So you want to click on that and hit save. So what this means is that, like I said, anyone who joins the workspace would automatically get added to this channel. And yeah, that's how. So the first way that I showed you guys, just to recap, was to click on add people and add them manually by name or email. And unfortunately, that is the only way to add them. So yeah, that's how you add everyone to a channel on Slack. Thank you all for watching the video. We hope that you found this guide helpful. We do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support, be sure to subscribe, like the video, and make sure that the bell notification is turned on. So with that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.